This is the elevator here at the Gales Center in Niagara Falls, Ontario. We have a Schindler 330A. Yes, I am over 14. Installed in 2009. We're at 1. Three. Door close does not work. It's a nice elevator. I like the cab. Although it's just your basic arena elevator. Capacity is 1590 kilograms. And one thing I want to show you is that watch how quick this elevator takes to go from 3 to 2. You're at 2. Yep. Okay, so this is level 2. And if you come up here, see, it's less than the height of a floor. See, here's level 3. That's level 2. This is level 3. So, that's it.